Unraveling the meaning behind Twig Broom. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase that may not be commonly used but is rich with cultural and historical significance. We will dive into the phrase, twig broom, to understand its meaning and use. So, grab your notebook because you're about to add another fascinating phrase to your English vocabulary. A twig broom refers to a type of broom made from twigs or small branches tied together at one end. Historically, it has been used for sweeping up dirt or leaves, especially outdoors. The concept is simple yet profoundly traditional, reflecting how people made do with available natural resources before manufactured brooms became commonplace. Twig brooms are also a symbol of rustic life and have been featured in various cultural stories and artworks to depict simplicity and old-fashioned values. The phrase can evoke images of countryside living, self-sufficiency, and the charm of simpler times. The term, twig broom, isn't just about a cleaning tool. It's loaded with symbolism. In literature and folklore, a twig broom may symbolize homemaking, frugality, or the idea of starting from scratch, because of its association with basic, handmade tools. It's a reminder of a time when self-reliance was necessary for daily life. Additionally, twig broom can be reflective of the ingenuity of past generations and their relationship with nature. In many cultures, the ability to create something functional out of raw, natural materials is highly valued and seen as a mark of resourcefulness. To understand how to use the phrase, twig broom, correctly, let's look at some examples. After the autumn leaves had fallen, she swept the backyard with an old twig broom. The witch in the story rode a twig broom. He crafted a twig broom from the branches pruned from his apple trees. In these sentences, twig broom is used both in its literal sense and figuratively to evoke a certain imagery or idea. In modern times, the term twig broom might not be in everyday use, especially in urban settings. However, it's an excellent example of how language preserves history and culture. Understanding such phrases enriches one's knowledge of the English language and adds depth to vocabulary usage, especially for those interested in historical and cultural contexts. I hope you found this exploration of the phrase, twig broom, both educational and entertaining. It's a testament to how the English language is a tapestry woven with words that carry more than just their direct meaning. They connect us to the past and enrich our conversations with their history and symbolism. Keep learning, and soon you'll handle English with the same ease as using a twig broom to sweep away leaves. Until our next lesson, happy learning and stay curious.